Norway is a country known for its natural beauty. From mountains to fjords, it's a sight to behold. But one of the most captivating features is Norway's waterfalls. Imagine water cascading down huge cliffs. The sound is like thunder. The sight is breathtaking. These waterfalls aren't just pretty, they are powerful reminders of nature's force. Visiting them is an experience that stays with you. You'll feel small yet connected to something bigger. So, if you're looking for adventure, Norway's waterfalls are calling. Norway has hundreds of waterfalls, each cascading down the rugged terrain, creating a mesmerizing spectacle of nature's power and beauty. Each one is unique and special, with its own story and charm, making them a must-see for any nature enthusiast. But here are a few must-sees that you absolutely cannot miss on your journey through this stunning country. Voringsfossen is one of Norway's tallest waterfalls, a true giant among the many waterfalls in the region. It plunges down 182 meters, creating a thunderous roar that can be heard from miles away. You can view it from a specially constructed platform, offering the best views and a thrilling experience as you stand close to the edge. Langfossen is unique because it flows right next to a road, making it one of the most accessible waterfalls in Norway. You can almost touch it as you drive by, feeling the mist on your face and hearing the rush of water. The Seven Sisters is a group of 7 separate waterfalls, each with its own distinct flow and character. They flow gracefully down the cliffside like hair, creating a breathtaking and almost ethereal sight. The Geirangerfjord is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, renowned for its stunning natural beauty and numerous waterfalls. It has many waterfalls, including the famous Suder and Bridal Veil, each adding to the fjord's enchanting landscape. These are just a few of Norway's amazing waterfalls, each one a testament to the country's incredible natural beauty. Each one offers something special, whether it's the sheer height, the unique formations, or the accessibility, making Norway a paradise for waterfall lovers. Getting to these waterfalls is part of the adventure. Imagine the thrill of trekking through lush forests, hearing the distant roar of cascading water growing louder with each step. The journey itself is an experience to cherish. Renting a car gives you the freedom to explore at your own pace. You can stop whenever you want to take in the breathtaking views, snap photos, or simply breathe in the fresh mountain air. Norway has well-maintained roads, making driving easy and enjoyable. The scenic routes are a visual treat, with every turn revealing a new, stunning landscape. Norway also boasts a good public transportation system. Buses and trains are reliable and offer a comfortable way to travel while soaking in the picturesque surroundings. You can take buses or trains to get close to most waterfalls. These options are perfect for those who prefer not to drive or want to relax and enjoy the journey. Some waterfalls require a bit of a hike to reach. The trails can vary in difficulty, but they all promise an immersive experience in nature, but the reward is worth it. The sight of a majestic waterfall cascading down into a serene pool is a memory you'll treasure forever. Make sure to wear comfortable shoes and pack water. Proper gear ensures you can enjoy your hike without any discomfort. Fjords like the Geirangerfjord offer boat tours. These tours provide a unique perspective, allowing you to see multiple waterfalls from the water, each more beautiful than the last. This is a great way to see multiple waterfalls from the water. The boat glides smoothly, giving you ample time to take in the stunning views and capture perfect photos. No matter how you choose to travel, remember to respect the environment. Nature's beauty is a gift, and it's our responsibility to preserve it. Stay on marked paths and don't litter. By following these simple guidelines, we can ensure that these natural wonders remain pristine for future generations to enjoy. Section 4. Perfect timing. When to see the magic. The best time to visit Norway's waterfalls is during the spring and summer. These seasons offer the most vibrant and dynamic views of the waterfalls, making them a must-see for any nature enthusiast. Spring from May to June is when the snow melts, making the waterfalls even more powerful. The weather is mild and the landscape is lush and green, providing a perfect backdrop for photography and nature walks. Summer from July to August offers long and sunny days. The extended daylight hours give you more time to explore and enjoy the natural beauty of the waterfalls. The bright sunshine enhances the sparkling water, creating a mesmerizing effect. You can enjoy hikes and picnics near the waterfalls. The trails are well maintained, and there are plenty of spots to relax and take in the stunning views. It's an ideal time for outdoor activities and family outings. Autumn, from September to October, still showcases beautiful waterfalls. The fall foliage adds a burst of color to the scenery. making it a picturesque time to visit. However, the weather can be unpredictable, with sudden changes that can catch you off guard. It's advisable to check the weather forecast and be prepared for varying conditions. Winter, from November to April, might present some frozen waterfalls. The icy formations create a unique and magical winter wonderland, offering a completely different perspective of the waterfalls. The frozen waterfalls are a sight to behold, with icicles hanging like crystal chandeliers. It's a serene and tranquil experience, perfect for those who enjoy the quiet beauty of winter. But be careful, as the trails can be icy. Proper footwear and caution are essential to navigate the slippery paths safely. Despite the challenges, the winter scenery is worth the effort for those who seek adventure and breathtaking views. Section 5. Norway's Waterfalls, an unforgettable journey. Visiting Norway's waterfalls is an experience you won't forget. The power and beauty of nature will leave you speechless. It's a chance to connect with nature and create lasting memories. So, start planning your adventure today. Norway's waterfalls are waiting to amaze you.